Is Tando Kimbo. I'm the Chief Operating Officer at Cimas, and it is my honor and my pleasure to welcome you to this momentous event. We are gathered here because Cimas Health Group has attained the ZWS ISO IEC 27001 2013 certification. We now have a world-class information security management system in place that ensures the security and confidentiality of our clients' information.
ISO 27001 certification provides an independent third-party verification that our organization information security management system meets the requirements of that standard. And the certification has been granted by the Standards Association of Zimbabwe, who are an accredited certification body. And this follows the successful audit of our information security management system. Our organization has already started reaping the benefits because of the ISO 27001 2013 certification. We seeing increased reliability and security of systems and information. We are seeing improved member and business partner confidence. We are seeing increased business reliance. Alignment with member requirements. Members are very particular about their information. We are seeing an improvement in the management processes and integration, certain disciplines that are forced on us that are bringing benefits to us as an organization, and also integration with our corporate risk strategies. So the information security management system does not only address how our technology handles information, but also how the people and the processes within Cimas can handle our members' information securely. Three key aspects of information handling which are crucial to complying with ISO 27001. And you all identify with this because all of us know we've got health records. We worry about our health records one way or another. And these are the key aspects of information handling that you also identify with. Confidentiality. Information should only be disclosed to authorized parties and only when appropriate. So confidentiality is important to all of us. Integrity. So the information that is stored and used is accurate. Availability. So information is available and accessible when it is needed to help deliver the services. What does this all mean to our members and partners? Firstly, we're creating an internal culture of security within Cimas so that all our employees, our service providers prioritize information security by design as we execute our work on a daily basis. So we are continuously improving our information security management system to provide confidence to our stakeholders that the security of their sensitive data is maintained. We are also following this international best practice to mitigate cyber threats and have cyber incident response and management processes to respond to cyber attacks. And to become certified, we've had to make improvements on our IT structures, on our security, on our training, on our risk assessment, and much more. So we went through a rigorous audit and certification process, as I mentioned earlier on, here at our head office in Borrowdale Office Park with the Standards Association of Zimbabwe, which is an ISO certification body.
And that Cimas has been Zimbabwe's leading medical aid society for over 75 years. Indeed, that you lead from the front is confirmed, as I'm pleased to announce that you are the first organization in Zimbabwe to be certified to this standard. Through diligent efforts and significant investment, Cimas has rightfully attained certification to the Information Security Management System standard by the Standards Association of Zimbabwe. This important milestone underlines the determination and commitment of management in improving the organization information security. Congratulations for this noble achievement. A truly commendable milestone for Cimas. The system preserves the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of information. It applies a risk management process and gives confidence to stakeholders that risks are adequately managed. As Cimas, you should be proud that you satisfy the rigorous checks and balances which form part of SARS assessment for certification. SARS is satisfied that Cimas has put in place all the measures required for certification. Please note that certification is pursued by an independent body in order to provide third-party independent attestation. This means that certification to the Information Security Management System independently assures conformity to globally accepted best practice. On appreciation, I would like to express my appreciation to Cimas for choosing to be certified by the National Standards Body, the Standards Association of Zimbabwe, which has over 65 years of experience in certification business.
As you may be aware, Cimas is a digital organization, and in our unflinching determination to fulfill we must, in fact, in our unflinching determination to fulfill that, we have embarked on a journey in which we have decided to make sure that that digital transformation effort is supported by an information security standard that is worthwhile. We began consulting with our management and stakeholders, and it was about 2 years ago when we started working on some of the policies. I must probably acknowledge the input that we got from Digital Phoenix, who is our stakeholder, who is not here with us today. We worked on them, on these policies, worked on our processes to such an extent that we were so confident that when Standards Association of Zimbabwe comes into our environment, they will be satisfied with our work. Let me acknowledge the presence of Liquid Telecoms. I mentioned that we are now a digital company, and most of these processes that we now run, they are now on the cloud, and they have been a very supportive stakeholder.